What is the best pencil for the wood shop or for construction in the field? Hi, I'm Ron Paulk, designer of the Paulk Workbench, the Total Station, and the Smart Wood Shop. If you like these tool and material videos and you gain anything from them, be sure to subscribe and ring the bell when you do that so you'll know when I drop a video. But more important, share these videos in this channel with others so that I can grow the channel. So pencils. This is a pretty big deal for those that work with wood and work in construction. I have talked about the Fatboy from FastCap a number of times. And if you've watched my videos, you know that this is the one I have, this is the one I use. I'm not sure what their lead is, but it's really hard. It really holds up well, and it holds a point. And it's a nice thick piece, and it's pretty easy to change out when it's time to put in a new one. That's what they look like when you get a new one. And they also have white and red, so this works great in framing for where you might use a crayon. And the white, of course, works really well when you get into, if you're working on some darker woods and stuff, where you can't see this darker graphite color. Now, the reason that I'm doing this again is I learned something from Paul that is a game changer for this pencil. Their tape measures, FastCap's tape measures, all have a pencil sharpener built into them. And for years, I have pulled out my tape measure and sharpened my pencil. But I learned from Paul just today that there is a pencil sharpener that is built in to the tip or into the underside of the eraser with the Fatboy. And it actually works better than the other pencil sharpener for this purpose. You just slip it in, and it gives you a perfectly shaped, sharp point. For me, I've never had a better pencil to work with to have in my bag, and I have at least a dozen of these. If you already use a Fatboy, you know how great they are. Well, I hope learning about this pencil sharpener will make it even better. Hey, thanks for taking the time to watch. Have a great day.